On this video, I just want to show you how to save your spreadsheet. Remember, you have keyed in your spreadsheet. Now you need to save the work that you have created. Okay? So, how do we save? After you've captured everything, then you go to the File tab. When you click on it, it's going to show you a save and a save as. So I prefer that you use save as. When you click on it, it should redirect you to the File Explorer. When you are on your File Explorer, you have to find where you want to save your documents. For an example, if you're saving on documents, you will click on the left pane, documents, then you will save your work there. But in my case, I will save on my desktop. Okay, now look for my folder, lesson 2020. I will open it. And then, do you see where it's written file name? This is where you need to save the file. Okay, so I just want us to quickly check the file name of the file that we're supposed to save. Okay, we'll go to the question paper, and it's here. Number 4, save the spreadsheet as question 4A. So this is what we want to save. Save the spreadsheet as question 4A. Okay, so we are going to rename under file name. We're removing book 1. So you do not need to backspace. So you can just overwrite on it. So you will have your question 4A. Okay. You can have your question 4A there. Okay. And then you save. Oh, sorry. Because it already exists, I have another question 4A, so you can just change the name to a different name. So you see, if you see this error, do you want to replace it? It means that if you say yes, it's going to replace the one that you already have on your folders. But if you don't want to replace it, then you can just click no, and then you can change the file name to another name. You can have 4A1 for an example. Then you save. That is how you can save. Okay, how do you know then that you have saved the work? When you look up there on your title bar, you see it has now changed. It is no longer book 1, but it is now written what? Question 4A1. So I hope this has helped you. Thank you.